Hello everyone. So I've gotten home from my camping trip. It was wonderful and there was a box waiting for me. Look at how pretty this tape is. I love it. It would make, you know how I made those sandpaper boards? Or did I make those sandpaper boards with you? I don't think I did. I think I still need to do that. But I made design boards with you guys and I used fancy duct tape. This looks like that would be great to use. I had one of those cutter slicer things and I only had one that I got in a Sew Sampler box a long time ago, and now I don't know what happened to it. From opening up boxes, I've misplaced it and I only had one, so now I'm fighting. But I want to know, this is some happy mail. Let me see. These are my bad scissors. They're really bad. They don't even want to cut this. Okay, let's go. Let's look what this is. Whoa. Whoa, mama. Sit back and relax. That is exactly what I did this weekend. And you see this big bear right on, what was it? It was Thursday, the day that we left. In the morning when I went to work, there was an enormous black bear. Holy crow, it was the biggest black bear I've ever seen. And it was right by the school and it was crossing. You know, it wasn't at the school, it was by it, and it was crossing across that road, and that was a big monster. So that's what that reminded me. Hoping this package finds you feeling better and in good spirits. I haven't been on social media for a little over a week. Injured. Oh, no. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh. Oh, that's so sweet. So this is from Gina. And please, let's all send her well wishes. She needs our positive energy and everything her way so she feels better. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. Look at this. It's a chicken wire basket. How adorable is that? That's cute. I've not seen that. Get me, I'm going to take off this tag because we're going to put this right to good use. All right, let me put this in my trash here. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is all this? I'm not even in the frame. Bali Balm Lip Scrub. Ooh, thank you. You're pampering me. I guess my lips are a little chapped. I'm definitely going to use this. It is pineapple. Ooh, it smells. Oh, I wish you had smell-o-vision. It smells, reminds me of Puerto Rico. It has that Puerto Rico smell to it. Well, thank you, Gina. I am definitely going to use that. Here we go. What is this? Oh, I've never seen this before. Scallops and Ways. Easy Peasy Quilting Template by Fat Quarter Shop. 2 designs to mix and match your quilting at home. Connect 2 or more templates to customize your size. Oh, wow, that's neat. So this is what it looks like. I wonder if I need a special foot. I'd best be reading about this. That is cool, isn't that? Huh. I'm going to be reading about this. Thank you, Gina. And here we go, the mother load of thread for my long arm as well as my sewing machine. We have some black. Oh, here's the Essentials thread from Connecting Threads. This is the thread, and oh, sorry, I'm getting all excited. This is the thread thread that I was looking for but couldn't find. So that is so cool. Look at this. I can't wait to try it. I've heard tons about it. Lots of good things about it. Unless this is for sewing, because it says it's size 50. But I've used 50 on my long arm and it's worked good. And then, yes, we have thread. We will put this thread in my little basket because I honestly only have that little thing to put thread in. So I'm going to do this. Thank you so much, Gina. Some of this will be going with me to Puerto Rico because I definitely need thread there. I'm going to put my little spools in here. Thank you, thank you. And here's some more thread. Yes, look at this. All right. So there's a navy blue and there's a black. And this one is Florian thread. We will use it. We will definitely use it on all those pass it forward quilts. Look at that. Thank you. Quilting thread. Wow. All right. We have thread for the year. Thank you so much. So I'm good, folks. I'm good on thread. Thank you. Thank you. I'm good on thread for a little bit, right? I'm definitely good on thread for a little bit. I'm going to have to put that here. I will use it. The funny thing is I will absolutely use it. So now here we go. Because she just had to. She had to do, she couldn't help herself. She had to pack some. This is cute. I'd never seen this line. Spring Chicken by Sweetwater. Oh my goodness. This is so super sweet. Let's see. We have to open it. We have to look. I know I'm not in the screen. But come on, folks. Who doesn't? So it's Spring Chicken. And there's chickens. I will have to do something fun with this. Oh, I'm taking this off. Oh, yes. 2.5. We're going to have some fun with some of these 2.5. I've never seen this line. Oh, I love this line. I wonder if this is an older line or a new line. I don't know, but it is totally me. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Definitely will be Spring Chicken. I got to look that up. Oh, I do love this. I'm going to have to add this to my Tula. And look. This is great. What is this? This is from 3 Wishes. And it's Beth Albert for 3 Wishes. How cute is that? Look at that. So adorable. And it looks like there is a yard. So it may be ending up going to 3-yard quilts. As a matter of fact, I just got fabric from another one of my peeps, another one of you subscribers that had chickens, and maybe those two can go together. I'll have to look at that. Well, thank you so much. This was a pleasant and beautiful surprise that I came home to. I'm so excited because, believe it or not, I was like, there's some things like my white is low on my long arm, and now I'll have some. And my tan, actually my tan is out. I used the last bit on this one last quilt, so this is great. Thank you, Gina. You definitely hooked me up. Thank you so much. I hope everyone, I hope I find you all well. So we've got to definitely say our little positive prayers for Gina, that she heals up better. And there's many more of you out there. And then there's some of you that are dealing with storm damage. So I am always thinking of you in every which way I can. I hope you all are taking care of yourself, passing it forward. You definitely pass this one forward to me. And I know you do. Just, just by your smile, you're passing it forward to whoever comes to you. So I want to thank you for doing that. And if you like what you see, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. I am so ecstatic to be home to my bed. As much as I loved camping, I do miss my bed. So everyone have a fabulous day. Bye.